Look at my couch. It is pink. Look what has arrived. It's my TV. I'm gonna show you where we're at right now because we did do a lot. Okay, so first thing that I want to do right now is eat. It is 8 p.m. and I still need to eat dinner. So let's make dinner for the first time here. It is 9 p.m. right now. I just finished my dinner. Now it is time to try out the shower. I'm very curious. And then I'm gonna put my books on my bookshelf. Oh, but wait. First I have these. I have to put these in the bathroom. Okay, that instantly looks so much better. This was such a good idea. This should also go on the wall, but for some reason, it does not stick. It keeps falling down. Okay, well, let's take a shower. I took a nice hot shower. It was actually a really nice shower, so I'm very glad about that. It's already 9:41 p.m. so I do want to do my nightstand and my bookshelf just to like also have that gone from like the boxes. So I'm gonna put that on there quickly, I think. Let's do that. I had in mind to hang these up like on the side of it, but it broke, so they don't work. I don't remember where I bought these either. Maybe there's a way I could tape it. Oh my god, I am in love. Let me give you a quick tour. Over here on my nightstand, we have a salt lamp and a little plant that I got from my father. You have two books where my clock is on top and a little coaster to put my drink on. Then on the side, my phone can be there. Then I have my book over there that I read before I go to sleep. And then my shelf. Oh my god, I love it so much. The lights were such a pain, but I got them to work. I really hope they're gonna hold on. But I'm gonna try and find where I got them. Maybe I can buy new ones because I don't think that's gonna hold on forever. But overall, it looks so good and so cozy. And I love this so much. I cannot wait for there to be like posters and stuff over there. That's gonna be so fun. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's so cozy. I love it. Okay, it's already past 10:30 p.m. So I'm gonna go make some tea and I'm gonna watch Grey's Anatomy. It is 12 p.m. right now. I have to work all day tomorrow. Time to go to sleep. Bye. Hello and good morning. It's January 9th, 10 a.m. It's my first whole free day here, kind of. So that is really fun. A few updates. So my washing machine is a bit of a problem because what I did not notice is that it was not actually in stock. I thought it was, but it wasn't. They would deliver it to me as soon as possible, but I have not heard anything yet. And when I look it up on the website, it says that it is not actually deliverable anymore. I have no clue what's going on there, but I think I'm gonna try and cancel it and order just from a different website. So that won't be coming in today. I was hoping that my TV stand would come in today, but I don't think that's gonna happen either. So that is awesome. It should at the latest be delivered today. So I'm really sad that it's not gonna be here today. At least I don't think so. Look at what I did with the curtains. I just kind of tied them together with my hair clips, but I think this looks so good. I did it at every window and I honestly love it so much, especially with the lacy ones that I have. I think it looks so good. So I think I'm gonna get those curtain binders to like tighten them together more neatly, and I still have to shorten them, so there's still work to be done. But for now, the first thing that I'm gonna do is this little corner. It is time to unpack my iMac because I have to work today. We're gonna do that and just kind of clean this up, kind of decorate this for as far as I can. Let's just start with cleaning this up and unpacking my iMac. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. So I don't actually have a lot on top of it. Don't mind the magazine, I'm gonna get a mouse mat, but I had like this really big one back at home on my desk, but this is also like the dining table, so I don't really feel like that is gonna fit anymore. For the rest, it's actually pretty simple. I had these lights that were really short, but they fit perfectly here, so that is really fun. It does add a little something to it, so I really like that. Then over here we have my fruit bowl with a lamp. It's so simple, but you know, sometimes less is more. It's probably gonna change a little bit, but for now, this is perfectly fine. So suddenly there were some changes in the truck and trays for my TV stand, but I'm not actually sure where they're at right now because it's a French website and I can really make sense out of what the updates are. So I have no clue if they're actually gonna come today. We will see. Hopefully it'll come in. Then another little update. I placed two books differently, as you can tell, better than the movies and Peter Pan. I got the front of the book to, well, the front, because I had a globe over there in the corner, but I didn't really like it. I'm definitely gonna keep it like this. I think it's even more cuter. Okay, so now it's time to edit my very first moving vlog. I think it's gonna be an empty apartment tour. If the TV stand will come in today, which I really, really hope it will, then of course I will film that. I am so excited for that. I'm gonna work. I will see you later. Hello, it is the next day and I have good news. Look what we have here. We have a washing machine. Oh my god. I had someone install it for me just to make sure they will put it in the right spot and they would attach it. That is good. That is awesome. Then another thing came in while the guy from the washing machine was busy. My TV stand. Finally, yes. There's one thing that I'm a little bit afraid of, and that is that I'm gonna need tools that I don't have. I was gonna drive home and drop off some stuff anyway, but I really hope I can do this myself now because I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Let's put together my TV stand. Yes. I do need tools that I don't have. I'm gonna go back to my mom's home and pick up the tools that I need and then come back. I will be back. Bye. Okay, I'm back. I also did some groceries, so it took a little bit longer, but it is 4:30 right now and I have nowhere to go tonight, so let's get started.
If I could tell you, I don't think you'd believe how long I felt this way. I'm begging you to stay.
I did it. Almost. almost. So the back is not attached because there were like 18 screws or something and no screw holes here. So I figured that would be really, really hard to do with the screwdriver. My hands hurt so much. So I thought, you know what? I don't need it there per se. So I'm not gonna do that now. I will do that some other time when I have like a drill or something. Is that what you call it? I have no clue. It's fine for now. Perfectly fine. I can just put it like this and we're all good. We're all fine. Let's put it in place.
If I could tell you, I don't think you'd believe how long I felt this way. I'm begging you to stay. And if I could show you.
Okay, it is time for dinner because I am starving. Bye. This is what it looks like. It looks so good. I don't know why, but it looks kind of orange on camera. It's not. And the coffee table is kind of like the same color, so that makes it look really good and match really well. It's a mess, so I'm gonna decorate and clean up and do the laundry and stuff.
Hope we feel the same. I feel 100 degrees when you call my name. And I don't know what you say. Hope we feel the same.
I'm so tired. I've worked so hard. I have to work all day tomorrow. So, I think I'm just gonna move these things out of the way and ignore it till Saturday. I will see you soon.
I could show you.